Hello guys, so I am finally taking you on a tour of the Hiranandani Estate Clinic, which is long overdue. So come along. So this is the pharmacy. The pharmacy is where we've got all kinds of prescription and non-prescription grade products. The main deal is that we don't want people buying it from any random sources. Very often we see, random suppliers supplying fake stuff on Amazon, especially in the skincare industry. This is huge. Dupes are all over the place. So we procure it directly from the company. So that's, ensuring some level of authenticity. And for a lot of our patients who, can't always come down all the way to buy from us, we've also set up an e-commerce website, which is entirely my husband's baby, his project. And he set it up pretty well, and that's also going pretty well. This is where we take before after pictures of patients, which is so important now, just to monitor progress, to make sure that we can see a difference in each visit. So that's where we do this. These are the two consultation rooms. Sometimes on weekends OPDs get really full and we need to be able to give enough time to each patient. So we simultaneously two patients in two different rooms so we can speed up the process and make sure that all our appointments are happening on time. This is my favorite room. This has a beautiful view and it's a great place to get procedures done, especially medifacials, laser hair reductions, like longer procedures. It's such a dream to be looking outside the window and getting stuff done. Here we've got a bunch of different machines. This first one is the MNRF, which is microneedling with radio frequency. This one here is imported from Korea. It's a really lovely machine. What microneedling with radio frequency does is basically boosts collagen. So it works brilliantly on acne scars, open pores, skin tightening, skin laxity, works extremely well. Also can be used for double chin reduction, can be used for hyperhidrosis. So people who sweat a lot from their underarms, we can do MNRF to reduce that excess sweating from your underarms. Works extremely well. One of my most favorite anti-aging procedures. Next is the HIFU. This is something I was really excited. I've been wanting to buy it for the longest time and I finally did manage to buy it last year. Again, from Korea. This is the Double Gold, the HIFU, which helps to tighten your skin, lift your skin. People with a bulky face, double chin, jowls, little bit of sag happening here. This is a non-invasive way, purely ultrasound based, helps to lift and tighten all of that skin, helps to reduce facial fat. So wonderful machine again. Then comes, again, this is crowd favorite, let's say. So this guy is the picosecond laser, which is an Nd:YAG, a Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. It hits pigment. So whether you've got just uneven facial pigmentation, you've got a tan, you've got some sort of birthmark that you want to get rid of, you want to get rid of a tattoo, any of these things, this works like an absolute charm. This is also the same laser used in carbon laser toning during medifacials, which most of our patients seem to keep coming back again and again for. So this is that guy, the picosecond laser. All of the art in this clinic has been painted by me and my best friend from school. We had a great time just before clinic setup when we were trying to buy art, and we said 1 minute, I think we can do this. We've taken enough art classes in school and we did this and it was so much fun. So this here is a laser hair reduction machine. Now this is a triple wavelength machine. What that means is it works brilliantly on brown skin types. We need to use slightly different laser frequencies as compared to what is used in the West on white skin. We cannot use the same machines or our skin will burn. We use triple wavelengths or quadruple wavelength machines or diodes or just Nd:YAGs. Now the benefit of a triple wavelength is that it also works really well on fine hair. So fine facial hair, all of that also responds extremely well to this machine. One of my most favorite procedures to do, because frankly I'll tell you, I used to have in my wardrobe a separate section of sleeveless clothes and sleeve wala tops. I literally used to hang them separately. And the moment I did my underarm laser hair reduction, my life changed because suddenly you can wear everything every day. So it's quite a dream. Then this is the medifacial machine that we have, which we can use for giving different kinds of light for different kinds of skin conditions at the end of your medifacial. Again, an absolute gem of a machine right here. An open procedure area. This is what we like to call a hair lab. We also do medifacials here. So a lot of people who want to do medifacials together, mother and a daughter, a husband and a wife, or just two friends who want to come in together and get the procedure done together, we do it here. We also do hair procedures like PRP, GFC, dutasteride, exosomes, PDRN. All of these things we do for the hair out here. We also do hair medispas. So hair medispas are sort of an area where cosmetic meets medicine. So we do a scalp treatment to help with your hair growth, to help with your scalp health, and we also do a hair textural treatment like the ones that are done in parlors, but we focus on bond repair. So we are actually helping to repair any damage to your hair strands while we're doing a hair spa. So this is where we do it, that's where we wash your hair, and this is where we do LED light, which also helps, low level light therapy, which also helps with hair growth. This guy here is an IV drip. This I've purposely kept a little bit out for you. So this is where we do IV glutathione, multivitamins, different kinds of drips which are meant to address different kinds of needs. So if you're facing dullness, you're trying to combat pigmentation but it's not really going away as fast as you'd like it to, IV glutathione works extremely well. We also have different drips for rejuvenation, for anti-aging, where we also add some peptides to it. There's also hair fall specific drips which give you hair multivitamins, which help sometimes the absorption through oral supplements, so your diet is not enough. So these drips really help to boost that absorption up in your system. So essentially the vibe that we were going for with this place was a very neat, a very clean kind of vibe where you can just relax. In the city, there's, when we got a location like this with this kind of view, I was like, this really has to feel like a place you can come to literally just relax and nothing else. A very close friend of mine actually designed this space, and it just makes me so happy every time I step into this space. So that was it. That was the space. I hope you've already seen our Nopada clinic. I'm assuming you have. And do pop in anytime here for a consultation or for a medi facial or a nice medi spa day where you can just come and relax. See you.